Hi, it's Chris White, and I'm going to go through an overview of the Security Charts tab for EdgeRater version 5.0. This tab is divided into three main areas. There is the left-hand side panel, which contains a list of all of the symbols that are available for charting. In the middle is the chart itself with the various areas and sub-areas, and on the right-hand side is a list of all of the scripts that are available for putting into the chart. There's also a couple of other sections on the right hand side and the left hand side. On the right hand side it's the layout section, which is brand new for version 5, and this allows you to store a layout and recall it for later use. And on the left hand side is area properties, which is now if you select a particular area, the properties for that charting area will now appear on this left hand panel, and you can start to change the parameters using the area properties. So we'll go through a couple of the features, and what you'll notice straight away is that you can scroll through the list of symbols and the chart will update immediately with the data for that symbol. It will also update around the date that is currently selected. So if I was zooming in on, say, let's zoom in on July 07, so I've got a zoom level that I'm comfortable with here, and now I can just scroll through the various symbols, and that zoom will stay fixed on July 7. So if you wanted to see what was going on around that time frame, you just set the zoom and then you can scroll through the symbols. Another feature which is brand new is the ability to save layouts. So if I let me reset the zoom here, and now if I create my own layout, which is a lot easier now in version 5.0, what I can do if I wanted to add, say, an Arun indicator, I can just double click on Arun and it adds it into a brand new chart area below the chart. If I wanted to get rid of MACD, I can select the MACD area here and then go up to chart area and say remove. MACD is now gone. And if I want to save this as a layout, I can just hit save layout in the main menu, and I can now call this whatever I want. I can call it Arun here, and you'll see that it will appear under my layouts, and I'm able to then go and select Arun as one of the options for layouts. You still have the ability to view day, week, month or yearly charts, and you still have the ability to move chart areas up or down, and you can save the layout in those orientations, and that will be saved for future use. You can click on indicator values, and now a window pops up which is always on top, and it's just going to update with whatever value of the symbol itself and the indicators are underneath the cursor. So as I move my cursor along, you'll see that the chart values panel updates, and it shows me the open, high, low, close volume of the symbol, but it's also showing me the actual values of the indicators that are present on this chart. If I want to add an indicator onto an already existing chart area, then instead of double clicking on the indicator, which would create a brand new chart area, I can just drag it onto the area that I'm interested in adding it to. So for example, a common indicator to add into the main charting area is a moving average. You can see there's already one moving average on here, and if I look at the area properties, I can see that the parameter for this moving average is 22, so it's a 22 period moving average on there. Well, if I wanted to add another moving average, I can just grab moving average from over here and drop it into the main chart area, and now a second moving average appears and also gives me the ability to change the values for the parameters. If I wanted it to be a 50 period moving average, I can highlight the number here, change it to 50, and it will automatically be reflected in the chart. And of course you've got the scroll buttons here to make finer adjustments. To remove any indicator from any of the chart areas, make sure you have the area selected, look over on the left hand side and see which indicators are currently in that area, and then you can click on the X to close that particular indicator. So for instance here, I might not be interested in seeing the volume overlaid down here, so I can just click on X and it will remove the volume. I may not actually want that second moving average that I added in, so I can click on X and that will remove that second moving average from here. I can remove the first moving average too, and so now I'm left with a chart that just has the stock price, and it also has a sub area with the Arun indicator So there we are, that's a basic rundown overview of the security chart tab. There's lots more features with security charts for viewing actual values of trades highlighted on the chart itself, but we'll get into more of that as we start talking about trade simulation and entries and exits. Thanks for watching.